How to use the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, when you open the edit page, you will see the media pool, preview monitors, and timeline all in one view, which makes it easy to drag and drop your clips directly onto the timeline. The media pool is where all your imported footage is stored, and you can organize them into bins for better workflow. Next, get familiar with the toolbar above the timeline. Here you will find tools like the selection tool, trim tool, blade tool, and more. These are essential for cutting clips, moving them, or adjusting timing. For example, use the blade tool to make quick cuts in your footage and the trim tool to fine-tune clip edges. You can also add transitions easily by going to the effects library and dragging a transition onto the cut between two clips. If you want to add titles or text, just head to the title section under the effects library and choose from a variety of built-in templates. Don't forget the inspector panel, which appears on the top right. This is where you can adjust clip properties like position, scale, opacity, and audio levels. Simply select a clip in your timeline and tweak the settings to get the perfect look and feel. Lastly, you can zoom in or out of the timeline for better control and use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl B to make cuts or Ctrl Z to undo changes, which saves a lot of time during editing. And that's it. Now you know how to use the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.